everyone, Amber Frederick here, and welcome to my Assignment 2 reflection. My small research was done on social emotional learning. Social learning is defined as the process in which individuals observe the behavior of others and its consequences and modify their own behavior accordingly. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to identify and manage one's own emotions as well as the emotions of others. Social emotional learning is learning through social interaction while developing and mastering the study of emotional intelligence. My research paper focused mostly on social emotional learning effects, the proven result based on the presence and absence of social emotional learning in the classroom or student life. With the presence of social emotional learning in the classroom, students are known to face academic challenges with perseverance, perform better with significant achievement, they have an increased rate of volunteer participation, they learn more deeply and develop responsible and effective decision-making skills, they are likely to navigate the world more effectively through peace and assertiveness, and students are able to optimally manage emotions and behaviors through recognition. There are countless benefits to presence of social emotional learning in the classroom, but here are only a few of them. But to give you an idea of the positive effects of social emotional learning, I have a statistic listed. It says students with strong social emotional competence are twice as likely to earn a college degree and nearly 50% more likely to graduate from high school and have a full-time job by age 25. Opposite from the presence of social emotional learning in the classroom is the absence of it. If there's an absence of social emotional learning, chances are students will produce unhealthy behaviors. They're most likely to dislike school and perform poorly on academic tasks and to later experience grade retention, dropout, and persist in antisocial behaviors. They're predicted to have multiple failed relationships, to be victims or perpetrators of interpersonal violence, and participate in substance abuse. Students that lack guidance, along with SEL competence, are unhappy and have trouble adjusting to environments while also being disruptive and delinquent. Without SEL proficiencies, students are more likely to struggle and suffer as an individual in today's demanding society. Ultimately, the presence and absence of social emotional learning has a major effect on a child's success in school and life. Overall, research reveals that and proves that SEL has the ability to lead to better academic and social outcomes. Thanks for listening, and I hope that my reflection has prompted you to want to learn more about social emotional learning and integrate it into your classrooms. Thank you.